Hyderabad's potential as a tourist destination and immaculate infrastructure has helped a lot in attracting business travelers to this part of Hyderabad. Federation of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry is also associated with HITEX in several of its activities. In order to continue to be an engine of economic development, the MICE industry will have to tackle following challenges. Evolving a distinct identity for its own, the industry must create its own personal distinct from travel and tourism. Establishing universal economic impact modules. The industry has to offer good value for money. Stakeholders need proof of economic benefits. Proving relevance and value. Show that meetings are not the economic problem but are a vital part of the solutions. Thinking and acting strategically. Assess the needs, anticipate coming challenges and face them with appropriate measures. Nurturing aging and flexibility. Venues need to be open-minded about their meeting space and public space. Experimenting with business models and revenue streams. Think of the events as a launch pads for continual revenue generation. Adopting value chain thinking. Foster collaboration among all stakeholders, suppliers and planners. Acquiring, retaining and developing talent and embracing diversity. Meetings industry carriers must be seen as stimulating and rewarding to attract the generation. Developing tomorrow's leaders and managers. Leaders in the next decade will be successful through innovation and experimentation. We at Federation of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the apex body of representing the interest of industry, trade and commerce in the state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, is actively involved in the promotion of MICE and the recent one event which Make in India, Opportunities and Challenges has created a lot of buzz about the initiatives as well as FAPSI in the business and the government sector in the country, more particularly in Telangana government. The event was well attended and appreciated by and addressed by the Honorable Ministers, Sri Nayan Narasimha Reddy Garu, Minister for Home Labour, Sri Jupalli Krishna Rao Garu, Industries Minister, Sri K.T. Ramarao Garu, Minister for Information Technology, and Sri Talasani Srinivas Yadav Garu, Commercial Taxes. From promotion of MSME and ensure to access to credit, FAPSI is planning to organize a bankers conclave by bringing large number of MSEs under a single umbrella, thereby making it potent and active forum dialogue with the bankers in the development of MSME. Friends, the prospects of MICE industry are looking very bright. Indeed, the changing trends are clearly indicating that sector is making a steady comeback as the world economy has started picking up. With the economy improving, there is once again a renewed demand for exhibitions, meetings and events to showcase latest products or the brainstorming sessions or simplying for attracting clients. Meeting, exhibitions, events are essentially networking tools and will always be the cornerstones of successful business. What is needed here is to recognize the changing way in which the world is conducting business. I wish that today's event gets a debate the issues of topical relevance with the eminent galaxy of speakers and come out with the recommendations in some of very important challenges and opportunities for growth. Sir, Acharya Garu, I like to draw your attention, sir. The present government of Telangana had brought up a very good industry IPAS and incentives, but we could not see for tourism point of view there was not much attraction is mentioned. So I request yourself to take a note and request the government to how best we can give more incentives to the tourism so that this city can be attracted more pilgrimages health point of view and connected related tourists. I wish today's event get a debate and issues tropical relevance. Friends, I once again thank you all for giving this opportunity. Thank you.